5 car interior cleaning mistakes. Autodoc tips. Using the wrong cleaning accessories and products. Hard bristle brushes or coarse cloths can damage the upholstery fabric. And glass cleaners can leave streaks on the door panels or dashboard. The polish that protects the dashboard from discoloration is difficult to remove from the inner side of the windscreen. Attention! Do not use household chemicals. To prevent scratches, the displays and transparent parts of the instrument panel should only be wiped with a soft cloth. Treat the leather upholstery of the seats and door panels regularly with special agents to prevent cracks. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Treating the pedal pads, the steering wheel or the gear stick knob with unsuitable polishes will make them slippery. This might lead to an accident. Before you get started, make sure you have the following: suitable car care products, clean cloths, microfiber towels, soft bristle brushes, a wet/dry car vacuum cleaner. You can find links to these products in the description below the video. Before applying a product, read the instructions and test it on a small, discrete area. Only use products that are designed specifically for cleaning car interiors. Don't exceed the cleaning time recommended by the manufacturer. Take the type of upholstery into consideration when selecting car care products. Cleaning in the wrong order. Don't start cleaning the interior before you've washed the car's exterior. If you do, dust and dirt from the exterior will get inside the vehicle while you're cleaning the interior. This will make the door openings more difficult to clean. Moreover, you can't clean a window well from the inside if it's dirty on the outside. Surfaces treated with polish before vacuuming will attract dust. Vacuuming the seats before you clean the ceiling and other areas above the seats is impractical. The dust will settle on the surfaces of the seats and other interior parts below. Clean the interior from top to bottom. The floor, door panels and their trims should be cleaned at the end, as they usually get dirty when the rest of the interior is cleaned. Using water and detergents incorrectly. Don't use microfiber cloths that are too wet or foam cleaner to treat the electric components. This increases the risk of a short circuit in the car's electrical system and may damage its components. Attention! Never allow water or liquid car care products to get inside the electrical components. Handle the displays, buttons, switches, and the trims of the audio system with care. Avoid getting the floor wet, since it takes a long time to dry because of its absorbent material. There may also be some electronic components under the carpet. If parts of the interior are very wet, dry your car after cleaning it. Leave the doors and luggage compartment open in a dry, warm, well-ventilated area until the car's completely dry. Please note, mold and unpleasant odours may appear over time if the interior is not dried properly. Neglecting hard-to-reach areas. When was the last time you cleaned under the seats, the inner side of the steering wheel, the door pockets or the glove box? Dirt also accumulates on the rear deck, sun visors and seat belts. However, these components are usually overlooked when cleaning the interior. Not cleaning the HVAC system well enough. In addition to the air vent grills, the fan, air ducts and the heater's housing also need to be cleaned. Bear in mind that dirt will build up on the parts even if the cabin filter's changed on time. Use a foam cleaner to clean the air ducts and the heater's housing. Remove the fan and clean the impeller and its mounting seat for better results. Important, make sure that liquids flow freely through the AC drain. A clogged drain can cause increased humidity and unpleasant smells in the passenger compartment. Be aware that a dirty air conditioning system can negatively impact the passenger's and driver's health.